For enabling dark mode on Instagram, you just go to the Instagram first. Now you can see there is an option bottom right corner. This is for profile. Click there. You'll find an option for 3 bar in the top right corner. You just press there, and then you will find the option called setting here. Press the setting. You will find several options here, but I just want to turn on my dark mode now. So that's why you just press the theme, and now you'll find 3 options here, and light, dark, and system default. So I just want to turn on the dark mode, so I just press the dark. Now you can see dark mode is turned on. So if I back to the Instagram homepage, background is dark now and our dark mode is on now. So this is pretty much simple for the Android, but for the iPhone is a little bit different, and I'm shooting my video with my iPhone, so I'll share the screen of iPhone and show how to do the dark mode on. So let's go to the iPhone. To turn on Instagram dark mode on iPhone, it's a little bit complicated, so we just go to the Instagram first. Like I show you, if I press the profile, we'll find the option called 3 bar here, and we'll find a setting. But the problem is actually here is no option for theme changing, and you will not find any option for theme changing, and this is the problem for our iPhone. So you'll not find any option for dark mode inside of Instagram. So what we can do, we can set our dark mode systematically. That's why we need to go the setting, and I'm going to the setting now. Now you can see there is an option called display and brightness, and we can see there is 2 options in the top side, and light mode and dark mode. We just enable the dark mode now, and you can see our system is getting dark now and dark mode is on now. So now let me show you what actually looks like the Instagram homepage, and I'm opening Instagram, and you can see Instagram background is dark now. So this is the only way to set dark mode on Instagram specifically for iPhone. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one.